beautiful day. Gorgeous. And the deer just walked right in here. They disappeared. There's a kitty right there. Oh, hi, kitty. This is just crazy to me. Look at this view. Can you imagine waking up to this every single day? It's rolling hills. Let me zoom you in. Couple houses. Mountains. Look at that. Look at that. Let's go in here. Look at that. Beautiful. Vineyard. Look at the forest over there. We're gonna stop standing here on these people's property. But I'm assuming it's their property. A lot of it is just vacant, unused, untapped. Like all those woods over there that go right down to that water. I guarantee nobody uses it for anything. Beautiful house. That one kind of sits up and looks, in the reverse across all this stuff. Oh God, so cool.